Welcome back. This vlog definitely should not be posted before my Germany trip, but here we are because it's easier to edit this one compared to the Germany one. But I'm on a walk, which does not happen often. It's very rare. But I'd be longing for more physical exercise besides what I get in the morning, because the morning 1 hour is not enough for me. I want to burn more calories and I want to eat more, so that's why I'm taking the walk. In this bag I have the same gears I took to Germany, which was pretty heavy. There were a couple of locations where I didn't take my full bag just because how tired I was from the day before of carrying everything. I'm gonna give you a sneak peek, or just a peek of stuff that I took to Germany in this vlog as well. Also testing out how the sound is in this GoPro, which will tell me how excited I should be to edit my Germany vlog, because I really care about how it sounds as well, not just how it looks. So I think the first reason to do the vlog while doing the walking, I already told you why I want to walk, but the reason for vlogging is Casey Neistat is back in New York City and has motivated me again to vlog a lot more than what I do right now, at least. So that's that. Set a goal for once a week for time being. I think that's a good goal. Once a week, vlogging wise. Maybe walking a lot more than once a week, but vlogging once a week should be a good goal. Good hill climbing. I'm glad I have the backpack on, because it's definitely resisting. Kinda sorta out of breath too from climbing those hills. By the way, this whole vlog is being shot on GoPro Hero 10, which I bought right before my Germany trip, which I'm very glad about. Well, I'll know if I am really glad once I hear the sound from it. I know the quality I'm pretty happy with, the picture quality at least. So yeah, that's the plan. Shoot, edit, post one vlog a week, and I walk a lot more because I want to get a lot more workout besides my 1-ish hour in the morning of lifting. Well, if I get busy with my shoots and clients and stuff, this may be hard, but luckily that's not the plan. I'm only taking very small events on my own, or once a month-ish, so I don't get too busy editing client work, which I absolutely never want to do. I don't know if I ever vlogged myself running, but I used to be a lot more into running than I am nowadays. I don't know what happened, but like sometimes I really get in the mood of running, but I feel like I have to convince myself a lot more nowadays, and walking was easily convinced, so that's why. And to make it harder, obviously I put some weight on my shoulder using the camera bag. But this will be a good test for low light of GoPro. Yeah, the low light performance looks pretty shitty, at least on this screen. Definitely a good walk for first try in a long time. According to Apple Health app, it was about 3.1 miles, which is not bad at all. I broke a sweat, so obviously it was a good resistance by the bag. Otherwise, I don't think if I would have, if I was just walking without any kind of weight on me. I'm still having a hard time because I keep looking at the screen. I know it's very close, but I feel like all the eye, when I look at the camera, it's gonna be like just to the side. I think it happened to me the whole Germany trip. I'm not gonna be happy about that, but we are new, we are not pro. Using the phone light again reminds me of my Iceland days. This is gonna be the end of the vlog. See you guys in the next one. Peace.